Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add border in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to insert a page border in Google Docs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add a border on Google Docs page, first of all, open the Google Docs on your computer. Once you are in Google Docs, create a new document or open an existing one. In your Google Docs document, click on Insert from the menu at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. Click on Drawing. From the right side, click on New. A new pop-up window appears in your document. At the top of the drawing window, click on the shape icon. Once you click, a drop-down menu appears. Hover over Shapes and choose Rectangle from the right side. Now, draw a rectangle in the drawing area. Once you create a rectangle, at the top of the drawing window, click on the Fill Color icon and select Transparent from the bottom of the color grid. This will remove the fill color of your rectangle. Again, click on this icon to set a border color for the rectangle. Select a color from the color grid. After adding the border color, click on the border weight icon to set the border thickness. Once you have customized your rectangle, click on Save and Close at the top of the screen. Now, a rectangle will appear in your document. Click on the rectangle in your document. You will see options below the rectangle. Click on the three dots menu icon and select All Image Options from the pop-up menu. Various options appear on the right side of the screen. Among these options, click on Text Wrapping. Inside this, select the style in front of text. Now, drag the rectangle to set it as a border for your page. You can resize it if needed by dragging the edges of the rectangle. By following these steps, you can add and customize borders in your Google Docs document to enhance its appearance and structure.